Hey everybody, this is Nick. Another quick video about using the eyedropper tool. So we've used that color eyedropper tool to grab custom colors from photos and highlight them in our charts or put them into custom shapes, things like that. But did you know that you can actually use the eyedropper tool inside of PowerPoint with anything that's outside of your PowerPoint window as well? So all you need to do, let's go ahead and do this just like we did before. I'm going to highlight this top bar here and I'm going to go to my paint bucket tool right there. Let's go down, drop down our color. There's my eyedropper. I'm going to go ahead and activate my eyedropper. Now you can see the eyedropper is activated right here. I'm just going to go ahead and now you can see when I move outside of my PowerPoint window, the eyedropper goes away. So I can't use that, but I want to pull from my screenshot right here of this beautiful sort of desert landscape. So what you're going to do is you're going to click and hold and drag. So let's go ahead and click and hold and drag. And now you can see that it's pulling things from outside. It's pulling colors from outside of my window. So click and hold and drag. Let's take this orange right here. It's really nice, or actually they say it's a brown. PowerPoint says it's brown. So let's go ahead and release the button, and there we have a nice custom color. Let's do it one more time together. We're going to click on that eyedropper tool right here. And what I'm going to do is make sure it's activated. I'm going to click and hold. Don't click and release, because if you click and release, it's going to take the color that you're clicking on right now. Click and hold, and we're going to drag it up. And maybe I want to have this nice, beautiful blue from the sky. And let's go ahead and release my mouse button there. And now we have a custom color that we pulled from outside of our PowerPoint window. Did you know this tip? Let me know in the comments below if this one is new for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe, hit the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design. Also, thank you to everyone for joining my channel. It's a $1.99 membership. You can cancel anytime, but you get early access to these tutorials, download codes, and members-only content when I post it. Really helps me keep the lights on over here with some consistent, steady YouTube income over here. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you all next time.